I hardly like touristy places. I am saying this after visiting many touristy places around India, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Thailand, and Singapore. After visiting many touristy places around these countries, I started feeling like I am doing same thing again and again. This time I have started my trip without much planning. The main focus was to stay with locals going on their recommendations and accept whatever it is. I have also tried hitchhiking to know about how to stay with locals, how to hitchhike, how to pack your bag for long trip, and for other tips, please subscribe this channel and check my old videos. Okay, so in September 2018, I have started this trip for 52 days long and visited many places around Kerala. So in this video, I am sharing my observations and travel experiences. My observations might be wrong. If I am wrong, please comment below and let me know. I'll be very thankful to you if you do it. In Kerala, I observed that most people from all the religions love to have beef with paratha and fish curry with tapioca. Tapioca is locally called as kaba. These are very famous shopkeeper closed his shop in afternoon, might be having siesta at home, but bananas are hanging outside. Outside of the closed shop. After traveling many places inside India, these things are completely different for me. Maybe that's why Kerala is called as God's own country.